Hello, welcome back to Cam's Classics. Today we're going to the South Jordan car show, Summerfest. As you can see, we've got a car full of sloths, me and Dad. We're going to go over to the show, get set up. It does look like it may rain on us. It's a little nasty out there, but hopefully not. Hopefully things go well. And we'll get to the show and we'll show you how we get this set up for it. So we made it, we got all set up. Let me show you our setup and we'll go from there. So meet Gizmo, he's holding our sign so people know what the car is. And we'll go around.
Do you think it's gonna miss us or not?
I don't know. I hit it all the way through Twilla. I spent all morning cleaning my damn car, and then I hit that all the way to here. I'm like, Jesus. All the way to Stansbury, Twilla to Stansbury.
Oh, you can see Slothy's driving. We're good to go. So I'm gonna hurry and video this one. As you might can see, it's about to rain here probably. So we're gonna hurry and get this one in for you, and hope you enjoy it. This one is a smaller show, so we're probably gonna show you just about everything. So first we have a trike. A nice 66 GTO. See, it's the 6-pack, the three 2-barrel carburetors. Very nice cars. I have a few friends that have GTOs and they're just really nice cars. Okay, so here we have a 47 Ford. Big inline 6. Oak bed. So that is one thing that you don't see a lot of, is the trucks. We do have one, that 55 Chevy we're working on, and they are usually just beat. When these were used, they were used as work vehicles. They were not ever thought of as being a restoration type car. So what you get is you get a lot of these that are just completely rusted out or just beat up. So it's a lot of work to restore a truck. So here's something you don't see a lot of. It's a pretty good size collection. Let us know in the comments if you know what these are. So, precursor to CDs and tapes. Okay, so here we've got a unique one. It's a 63 Ford Fairlane 500.
It's so loud that I have to insulate and dynamat everything. It does so to hear anything. So the whole floor is dynamatted.
I've always kind of liked these tail lights. Yeah, this is a very, very nice car. So this one's kind of a modern one. It's a 2022 Toyota Supra. Not a bad way to spend $160,000 plus.
Okay.
So this one's kind of a neat one.
What do you do with somebody else's car? Do you touch it? No.
They've kind of went with the skull theme. So it's a newer Jeep, but I like the doors. I'll take you around here and show you the air cleaner. So, they really like skulls. And
okay, which one do you want to go see?
I kind of learned about this from Matt. It's more of a back east, but they have the little ducks.
Okay.
So here's a pair of Corvettes. One kind of looks like it might be the kind of salmon-y color, kind of a pinkish red, and the other one's red. This is one feature I do really like, is these side pipes. They bring the exhaust out the side, and as you'll see, they do have a guard on them, because if they do not have the guard, you'll burn your leg. So here's a 69 C10. Let's look under the engine compartment, and something's missing. So if you come back here, there you go, mid-engine 454, ready to race. Okay, so here's one of basically what I want to build, what I have in my head, other than I want to do it on a fastback instead of a convertible. This is a 1968 Mustang, let me show you.
Everything cool in the summer and warm in the winters. Oh, do you? 2 doors. 3 doors down.
Really nice car. So I want to show you this one. It's kind of a color combination that you wouldn't think goes together, but it really kind of works. So orange and kind of a purple magenta, really surprisingly looks really well together. So this one's a Buick hearse. Let's go ahead and show you it. It's a big car, but I wanted to really show you the back panels. They're really neat. We've got the big Buick V or straight 8. Let's see if I can get this in here. So those are cast metal. And then we've got the business compartment of the hearse. They're just it's a really neat car. So we've got a 75 Bronco here. It looks a lot like the color we're going to be painting the Oldsmobile, which should be coming shortly. You know, these have very much gone up in price, and since the new Broncos come out, and I would rather have one of these old Broncos than the new ones. So here, parked next to us, you'll probably see our car in the background is a 71 Chevelle. LS engine, nice bucket seat interior. And then we've got us. So we didn't get everybody, but we did get a lot of the cars. We're just trying to hurry before the rain comes through, and we hope you enjoy this show. We did bring ours out today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.